In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Google Maps working on your website without needing a credit card, and I want to clear up a very common confusion around Google Maps API keys. A lot of people search for how to get a Google Maps API key without a credit card, but the truth is, Google officially requires billing details for an API key. However, there is a safe, free workaround that lets you embed Google Maps without an API key at all, and that's exactly what I'll walk you through step by step in this tutorial. This method is perfect if you just need a map displayed on your site and don't want to deal with billing. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software and web tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and head over to Pages. This is where you'll add or edit the page where you want the Google Map to appear. Once you're inside the Pages section, find the page you want to work with and click on Edit. Now, before we continue, it's important to understand why this works. Google requires a credit card or bank account for API keys to prevent abuse, even if you stay within the free tier. But if you only need to display a map, you can use Google Maps Embed feature, which does not require an API key or any billing information at all. This is completely free and officially supported by Google. Back on your page editor, click on the plus icon to add a new block. In the search field, type in Custom HTML. Once you see the Custom HTML block, click on it to add it to your page. This block allows you to paste embed code directly into your page. Next, open Google Maps in a new tab. Search for the location you want to display. Once the map loads, click on the Share option. Then switch to the Embed a Map tab. You'll see an iframe code generated for you. Copy that entire embed link. Now go back to your WordPress editor and paste the embed code directly into the Custom HTML block. Make sure you paste the full iframe code without removing anything. Once the code is in place, scroll up and click Update or Save to apply the changes to your page. After saving, preview the page, and you'll see the Google Map displayed perfectly, without using an API key and without entering any credit card details. If you absolutely must use features that require an API key, like advanced directions, geocoding, or dynamic maps, then Google billing is unavoidable. In that case, you may want to consider alternatives like OpenStreetMap, which offers powerful mapping features without mandatory billing. And that's it. You've successfully added Google Maps to your website without a credit card using the embed method. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.